are the key skills are required, how to build the resume. As clean as possible, the resume will be. How to build the resume. This is the main and core important part. So you also have to prepare your resume according to job description. Now, clean and well format, I hope you understand, this is not required to explain. As clean as possible the resume will be. Not need to use multiple color, not need to use the design complexity, just a simple word document. What are the key skills are required, we mentioned. So on the job description, those key skills are important. Those key skills are important to mention on the resume. Now section 2, ম্যাক্সিমাম টাইম আমরা কি দেখেছি, রিজুমে যখন আমরা বানাচ্ছি তো তখন রিজুমেতে একটা বড় পোর্শন আমাদের হেডারে নাম, বাবার নাম, কেয়ার অফ, মেবি অ্যাড্রেস, মোবাইল নাম্বার, ইমেল আইডি, a lot of things we are mentioning, but all of those information are absolutely not required. Entire পেজটা যদি আমরা ধরি একটা A4 পেজ, then maximum 5% we will use with for the name, professional title, phone number, professional email id, LinkedIn or GitHub link, or if anyone is the designing from the designing field, then Behance link or the other portfolio link. If you develop any kind of personal website or portfolio website for yourself, then you can put maximum that particular information. Now second part is career summary and objective, but it will consist with the 10% of the entire page. You can mention your small responsibility area, and after that you mention the achievement, what about based on your responsibility.